drama now, with name drama now. Call your sister and your brother and your mama now. Shan Tasiia big show and it's on you now. And them can't stop that one cause it's done you now.
Alright, later, ma, I'm going to school. Alright. You look nice. Oh, this? Well, I got up extra early today. I just felt like, you know, sprucing myself up a little bit. That me like. Girl for take good care of themselves. Thank you. But don't take that wig there too far, you hear me? Because that wig there is for special occasions. Me not have it like that. Me money no long. When you come from school, put down your wig. But me like that. Take pride in yourself, girl. So if you do it, wake up early and get yourself done. I'm gonna buy you one school wig. Go sight later. Love you. Alright. Have a good day. Bye. I mean, she get it from you now. Bad girl days, yeah. Yeah, girl. Me not play them game there.
Don't know that
Hold on there. School done from 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
How is Shan there?
Round and round on the magic school bus.
Slow girl.
Mr. Queen top it on the left hand side. Skin out, man out, get wild all night. No run, move, flip on your head, don't slide.
No, she not reach home.
What?
Yeah.
What? She not be good for a while.
Me say-
Me not hear nothing bad about her.
Me say the girl I do good from where there. No problem at all. Good grades, good everything. No trouble she give me. Me say make me start down at Chipotle and Chick-fil-A.
Girl, you're saying the restaurant's name wrong. It's Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
Not
And
Chipotle.
buy her one crispy salad. Cause she like them sitting here when she come home for she can't near me. I'm gonna call Shan and see where she there. Hold on. My phone ringing.
Get wild all night. No on the left hand side.
I know you did not just decline your mom's call.
She'll be alright. She okay.
Alright.
Voicemail?
Mama bumper, I go round and round, round and round, round and round. Mama bumper.
Shan, where you there? If you're there in a danger, call me back right now. This is the best trip ever. Oh God, this not feel right.
I go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Me gonna call up the school. Me afraid. What happened to me picnic? Hello, school secretary speaking. Hello, good evening. My name is... So my daughter hasn't reached home as yet. And I'm wondering if you have seen my daughter, if she did come to the school. Did she even arrive? What I want to know what go on. Oh, Shan! She's out on the school field trip. Trip? What trip? The trip to Washington, D.C. She left with her class this morning. Washington, D.C.! Alright, everyone. Next stop, Washington, D.C. Okay. But you signed the permission slip. Lady! Me da sign the rascal permission slip. Me want to know how my picnic up and bus figure Washington Bumble rascal D.C. I'm fraud, the girl fraud me signature. Me da sign nothing. Matter of fact, give me the teacher number right now when they're on the trip. Well, the teacher on the trip... Give me the number now. Okay, I'll give you her number. Her name is Miss Danielle. Ross, me can't find the pen. Me just dark right now. Lady, hold on. Let me find a pen right now. Hold on. Wait. Okay, I'll wait. Wait there for me. Can't take this. The girl stress me out. Jeez and P's. Alright, give me a number. I'm ready. Alright, her phone number is 347-213-5421-678. Thank you. This kids is crazy, Patricia. You don't hear this lady on the phone? Her kid is in Washington, D.C. And her mama don't even know. I would have tore my kid up. She gave us a permission slip she signed, making us think that it was from her mama. Anyway, let me calm down. It's my job. Hello, secretary speaking. How can I help you? Okay, we'll be right with you. Hold, please. I'll play them games with my kid. Me know if you angle this, I mean, no of it. Gentle parent. Them say, gentle parenting are the best thing you can do for your picnic. So make a calm down and gentle parent. Take on the gentle parenting right now. Calm down, alright. You ready? Go call Miss Darnell. Alright guys, this is the White House.
Just wanna chill.
Our current president is... Hold on guys, I'm getting a phone call. Hello, Miss Danielle speaking. Hello, Miss Darnell.
Yes, this is her, but it's actually pronounced Mrs. Danielle.
Alright, yeah. Miss Darnell. Can I please speak to my daughter, Shan? Oh, she's right here. She did it. She have a good time, yeah. Me here and I back, yeah, that nice. Can I please speak to my daughter? Hold on. Shan? Yes, Miss Danielle? Your mother's on the phone. She wants to talk to you. Thank you. Hey, hello, Mom. Hello? Hello, me bumbuckler. I won't tell you say I can't go to Washington, D.C., girl. Nobody? Okay. Since you're a big man and you're take trip far out across the nation, yeah, pan your own and nobody no know. Since you're a big man, sleep up there. Matter of fact, ask Trump if you can't sleep in one of the 132 room up there in the White House. That if you do. Mommy, that doesn't make any sense. They won't allow that. And me not gonna allow you to sleep in here tonight. So take your chance and ask Trump. Right. Take out your lunches, eat, so we can tour the White House. Here you go, Miss Danielle. Okay, go eat your lunch. We have 2 hours, then we're heading home. Okay.
Like, share and subscribe. Press the notification bell so you can see everything we upload. You see the code? Cracker, Molly, Cracker. What name? German, what name? German.